Hey, it's me, Chloe again. Well, I really don't know why I'm making this video. I'm just bored and lonely. Yep. Well, anyway, you will find my MySpace to that way, I think. And go find me and subscribe to me and my friends' sites. And yeah. Give us ideas of what to do, and remember, if we get 100 subscribers, we will do something really awesome. Yep, but we have to make at least 101 before we do that. But we still want more than that. So, subscribe, people, and yeah. I am really bored now. Yeah, just give us something to do, because we get bored. And we like friends. So subscribe. Who the heck is texting me? Oh, Emo. Hi, Emo. That's Matt, but his new nickname is Emo Elmo Monkey Tubby. I came up with it. So that's Matt. And then Patrick is my boyfriend. His nickname is Bones, because he's super bones. He's like so skinny. And then there's Riley. Her nickname is Death. Sierra, I haven't come up with a nickname for her yet. Me too. And then Jellybean is Julia. Ryan is Semi-Nerd. Quiet Guy, or Psycho, that's Chris. And then there's, oh yeah, Andrew, I can't forget him. My best buddy. And his nickname is Holla. Woo! And yeah. Then there's Christy and Libby. I haven't come up with nicknames for them yet. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. He interrupted me. Not nice. So, if you have any ideas, tell me, because I am super bored. There's nothing to do here. Yeah. I'm hungry. I don't know why. Just ate dinner. Anyway, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Woo! After homework, that is. God, that's gonna be torture. Ooh. Emo Elmo Monkey Tubby. Oh, funny. You interrupted. Yeah, so find me on MySpace and subscribe to my YouTube and subscribe to my friend. You'll find that in the description. That way, or that way. One of those. And become our friends. Because we don't have a reason. We just want more subscribers and friends. So, yeah. That's about it. Later. See you tomorrow. Bye.